So how did you actually feel helping out the judges today?
It was a great experience. So actually I've been part of IRO before, and I've been a part of Vidyashilp Academy and RoboG. Under
Okay.
Vishnu sir, I've done quite a lot for the past 4 years, and now seeing it all come together, it's great.
Okay.
So many of the coaches and even the judges, they gave me an opportunity to do a lot of things that they were doing.
Okay, yeah, true.
So that's great because they're giving me the responsibility of doing it.
Yeah,
No?
so it's cool. Okay. So one more thing, how do you feel that these kids are showing up right from such a young age?
So there's many kids even in Vidyashilp Academy and even from Pune that have showed a lot of capabilities. A lot of them have the leadership role, which is very rare to find nowadays.
True.
And they all have that spark for technology. So for future generations, it's going to be great, and technology is going to be ever growing.
Okay.
So it's important to have these skills.
True. So would you love to join us again next year if this is happening?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, again, it depends on the schedule and boards and things, but all of these opportunities never go in vain. They're always useful, and they're always great for not only portfolios, but also for our own understanding of robotics. And teaching helps you learn more than giving away knowledge, because that can never be given.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.